Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The boy was drinking juice. His friend came in a jacket. "Can I take your jam?" he asked. Boy said, "Sure. Sharing is good." Friends smiled. They ate together.
Let's meet with new sounds.
J, j, j.
Let's do actions with me.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ch, 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 ch.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Jug, jam, jacket. J, j, jug. J, j, jam. J, j, jacket. Dear kids, what do you know about the jars? What are the jars used for?
see you in the next lesson.